So, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is rumored to introduce three models: the standard Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and a new edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim. Speculation suggests these devices will launch in early 2025. While official details are scarce, a recently leaked video has provided insight into the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design and features. The video reveals significant design changes for the Ultra model, including rounded corners, a notable departure from Samsung's current flagship designs. This aligns with earlier leaks and rumors suggesting a more refined aesthetic. The camera module also adopts a layout similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Following the video's release, Android authorities shared additional images that offer a closer look at the device's display and S Pen compartment. The S Pen, an iconic feature of Samsung's premium devices, has received a subtle redesign. It now features a slightly curved head that protrudes marginally and is positioned closer to the center of the device due to its curved frame. This ensures that, despite design changes, the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues to support the S Pen, maintaining its appeal to longtime Galaxy Note fans. The images also highlight updates to One UI 7, including a new charging indicator, updated icons, an improved camera app, and a streamlined quick settings interface. The curved edges of the display are prominently showcased, emphasizing a premium look and feel. Additionally, the leaked model number for the Ultra, SMS938B, lends further credibility to these details. As for the Galaxy S25 Slim, rumors suggest this new edition focuses on portability and sleekness. Likely designed to compete with Apple's iPhone 17 Air, the Slim model may feature a compact and lightweight design with a smaller AMOLED display compared to its Ultra counterpart. It is expected to include a high refresh rate screen, improved AI-driven camera features, and faster charging technology. Running on One UI 7, the Slim aims to deliver a streamlined and user-friendly experience. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series promises a blend of innovation and versatility, with the Ultra offering advanced features and the Slim catering to users seeking a minimalist, portable option. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.